Yes guys, once again they're on the journey. Today I'm in Balaclava. I'm going to take you on a tour through a community that is called Burnside. I'm going to take a right turn here near past police station. So after you pass the police station, guys, you make a right turn. Then you follow the road. Guys, I have stated in the previous video that I did in Balaclava that there's a cemetery down here. Big up to all the hustler them guys, the man them who truck the water them from here to there. Yeah man, and guys, they have a pipe around here that the water truck. Them truck water from around here to Balaclava to Ryan and all of those places like Comfort Hall, Evergreen. So yes guys, I know a lot of you guys don't know about this road here, but this road can take you right back to Roger Clark High School, formerly known as Balaclava High School. And over here on the left you have the cemetery, guys, that I was telling you about. It's a Phoenix Park Cemetery. Yeah man, one of these days I'm going to give you a tour of Phoenix Park as well. Right guys, you know, stay up on the tour with me, you know. Yeah man. Guys, the road is not so perfect, but guess what? We have to take a little time and go on. Alright my people. Yeah man, so let me know where now watch from in the comment section so I can go now and shout out, you know. Yeah man. Guys, this is the area in Balaclava. I don't think any of you guys will know this area or know it as much, but it's a drive-through road that can take you right back to Marlborough as well. Look out for Marlborough tour, guys, just coming up. The road is rocky, guys. The road is rocky. Here we have a little cemetery over here as well. Fire Reid, big up yourself. Sir Mark, big up yourself. Yeah man, right now I try go on a tour of the little community them where enough people don't know, you know. And guys, right now if there is any accident or anything that is happening in the town of Balaclava, this is the alternative route you can drive to take you out of the town. Major construction is going on around here, guys. guys, they have some nice houses around here as well. And guys, the right turn that I'm going to take will take you back onto the main road. The left turn here will take you to a road that is called Marlborough. Alright, my people, so right now I haven't come around this side for a while now. Alright guys, see the sign there. This road can take you to Marlborough Road, so I'm going to take the right. Which will take you right back to the main road. Guys, what I want to say to you right now, you guys must know this type of road, because anything can happen and you have to use these bypass to help you get through the town. It's kind of small, you know, guys, so now I have to take on the time on this road. And always remember to toot your horn when you're going around each corner. Alright, we have a nice house over here on the right. It's very nice. Guys, leave in the comment section if you think that some of the roads in Jamaica can be much better in terms of width, in terms of broadness, because some of the times you go on a road and the road is very slim. So over here on the left is Roger Clark High School. So yes guys, I'm just giving you a peek of the Roger Clark High School, formerly known as Balaclava High School. Yeah man. So guys, trust me, right now it is not an easy road, guys, to travel in Jamaica, because right now some of the roads them good and some no good. Some of them rocky, some of them small and all of them something there. But guys, we don't need to just take on no time and drive on the road them. Alright? So stick and stay with me as I finish my journey. Alright guys, so I am back on my journey now. So this right turn here guys, it can take you right back into Balaclava town. Alright? Yeah man, that little right turn there, it can take you back in the town and it can take you from the town of Balaclava. Guys, I just say, me I tell you about the road them man. Whole heap of pothole and boy, I'm tired of them road there. So guys, right now I am coming to the end of this video and road tour. Yeah man, so this is where I will end the video. So I am at the Rubis gas station, which is here, and the courthouse is there. Alright guys, so always remember guys, like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And guys, I hope you enjoy this tour. Big up on yourself.